So we'll see. 1 second. Again, it is showing started. Showing started means it should generate the recorded video like this, not showing like this. See, internet problem, my problem, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 members. Not at all good, guys. That is, I will can skip this thing. I think it is not recorded. I recorded but not recorded. That is the last point. Okay, so 1 second. Here in this one recordings, you can try it also. Where is the latest one? This is the latest one. So 25th 5. The starting video is there. Now no new video is not there. Very good. Guys, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
So what are we discussed? That is not recorded. That's what I said. Don't trust on these recordings and videos. Please be stay. And people don't listen. People gone. So that is kills my interest. Okay, just only few points I will tell again. SDLC, software development lifecycle. You know, whenever the software side means there is a hardware development and software development. Means hardware means motherboard, processor, RAM, storages like a disk management like this, right? So one side, another side is software like a applications, operating system, DOS, Windows, like this. You can see like a Linux, Unix, C language, C++, Java, okay, DB2, Pascal. Okay, so there is so many type of programming things are developed. Okay, so for application development or operating system development or drivers, softwares, web development, server development, right? So a lot of development came into market, but not all organizations are successful. Only few are successful, few are not successful. So then there is experts observe few things from the organizations. So they suggested a life cycle. They suggested a life cycle called a follow this software development life cycle. It is also called as a waterfall model. Okay, so in these life cycles, requirement gathering, gather the requirements of client for a what he required, like a application, a requirement or operating system or a web application, like that. What is his requirements? So gather those information first. Analysis, plan according to it, and design it according to your client requirements. Okay, and start develop the things. Okay, start develop means coding means, so start develop it and test it and make sure it is working and deploy into the client. Deployment means give it to the client and make sure it is running. Maintenance means after deployment, so client is using your product, maybe there some issues may occur. So we have to any issues reported by client, we have to connect and work on it. And also I told a small part here. So that is called if any changes requirement. So by the client, like based on the issues, you have to change it and test it and verify and apply those changes. Already I told this part we have to work on it. Okay. So this is entire explanation is gone. Okay. Next, there is a certain issues in the software development lifecycle. What are the issues? Once your requirement gathering is completed, once you take in a requirement from client, we don't accept further changes. We don't accept further changes. Okay, that is also good word, you can use it. So once you have taken a requirements from the client, so we cannot accept any changes in it. Okay, further changes we don't accept it. So we have taken analysis and started designing it, complete the code, test it and deploy it. Any features wise or any new features or any changes requirement, so or any new phase you want to develop, you have to make sure that first thing will be completed and next one will be start and develop. So that is in the software development life cycle. Because of these many life cycles and complete gathering and start developing the client what is the requirement. So then this kind of stuff will take a time to develop and give the product to the customers. Okay, so what it is, so client has to wait for a complete product handovering, complete product. If any issues are there, any failures are there, again you have to do it again. Okay, so next one is chance of failures also very high. Chance of failures also very high. Chance of failures are there. There is a chance failures. Chance of failures are there. Chance of failure is there. So what we have to do it. So wait for a longer period of time. If it is failed, there is a problem again. Next, delay in the project. So if you are doing a delay, the delay carries different kind of stuff. The delay always carry other issues also. Delay carries other issues. What is the issues? Bill payment issues. Bill payment issues. In a competitions, others are giving meantime someone is in already came into market and give a better product than your product. Okay, so maybe there is a changes, may that changes not acceptable immediately in your product. These are a kind of issues. And finally, so this is I give an example. There is a lot of changes occurred on this particular product, like a tally that is also explained, right? So okay, so different taxation systems are introduced so far. So then tally is created earlier. Tally 7.0 earlier, then 7.8, 7. Tally 7 with the VAT tax introduction, then tally 8, tally 9 with the GST. Like so different tax options are there. Means what point is, what are the changes occurs based on the situations you have to change. Okay, the change sometimes good, sometimes acceptable immediately and release, sometimes may not good. Okay, so this is like a additional feature wise I am explaining. Okay, and also I told in a competition wise different competitions are there, the modifications in a product and all. So some are will overtake your product. Just an example of Google and a Facebook kind of stuff. This is about a SDLC. So what is the alternate for a SDLC is Agile. Agile. So Guys, understand?
Yes.
Okay. So when you put a Agile in a Google and meaning of Agile, it is, the meaning, just I need a meaning. Okay, because English meaning is able to move quickly and easily. So you can take this very simple meaning of Agile also. Okay, able to move quickly and easily, not as like a stagnated type. It is Ruth was Agile as a monkey. Means the Ruth is a person is moving very fast, like is jumping from one place to another place is a meaning. Okay, so this is Agile meaning. So when I type meaning, so that is I got it. Agile, so something people we can say, so we can hear agile, agile. So it's a sound is ja sound will be there. Agile. Okay. So different meanings, different kind of stuff is there. I am not going with that one. So I am going with what is agile means in my place. Agile is iterative approach to project management, software development that helps teams deliver value to their customer faster and with fewer headaches. Instead of betting everything on a big bang launch, the agile team deliver work in a small and consumable and incremental. So this is a very short and sweet kind of stuff. Okay, so we can take this as a understanding one. Of course, there is a lot of things in the agile. You can take it. The two statement wise I am putting here. So what is this? In SDLC, so we have to do big launches. So we created a product, we launched the product in the market. But in Agile, we don't do like that. We'll create a small and start developing small to little extra, little extra, little extra. Now I'm telling an example for understanding is my WhatsApp. Okay, so I like a last time in a one batch I given this example, one or two batches, then I understand better way of WhatsApp kind of stuff. Okay, so this is our WhatsApp, right? This is our WhatsApp. Earlier WhatsApp is created for a text messages, right? So what happened? So government given a restrictions on a unlimited text messages because of huge load on a servers and the hatred spreading is more. Okay, something situation occurs. So with a very short form, so SMS, short messaging system, right? So like this, short messaging wise, people are sending a messages and it is huge load on a towers and all. So government restricted maximum per day, not more than 100 messages, not more than 100 messages. Or now it is maybe a little different. So maximum 100 messages per account. Okay, so the text messaging is stopped. So later people are find different resources, but through internet you can send a text message through WhatsApp other than any other social media platform. Okay, which is taken by once WhatsApp started to become highlighted and is taken over by Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, and developing that kind of, so people can able to share pictures, they can able to share pictures, gifs, documents, pictures, then videos, and people put a pictures or a videos as a status messages. They can able to do it. They can do audio calls, we can do video calls, they can send money through WhatsApp. WhatsApp money is also there. We can share contacts. Message delivery status check marks. Right? Single check mark means sent, only sent. Double check mark means received. Double check mark with a blue color. What it is?
Read.
Yeah, person is open the message, check the message. Okay, very dangerous, right? Sometimes I want to ignore some message like I don't know whether I should give an answer immediately or not. So is the guy our previous student only? So like I send a message to him, so I got this blue check marks. There is a rumors also there. Okay, so there is a certain rumors also there. You got a blue check mark means it's a normal communication. You got a green check mark, you got a red check mark means red strikes are there. The government is watching you and it is okay with the message, green check mark. If it is a red double strike means government is sending a warning to you. That's a WhatsApp. University is a much bigger. So now WhatsApp started a university thing also. Okay. So we should not say that here, but lot of things it is there. Web interface, web application, okay, and desktop version, but web link only. It is also a web link, not a directly. Okay, web kind of stuff. It's my WhatsApp. I'm checking my messages. I forward my messages from here, right? This is, see, nothing is, this entire thing is not developed in a single shot. First they develop text messaging, picture messaging, video sharing, picture sharing, audio file sharing. Audio sharing is also there. Audio messages we can able to share. Okay, PDFs we can able to share. So documents, okay, documents, okay. We can share pictures, GIFs, contacts, status. Okay, one thing we forget, what it is? Emojis. Emojis, right? Emoji is there, no? This is emoji, right? Emojis, different emojis. Okay, different type of emojis, including that a GIF kind of stuff. This is GIF. Okay, what is this? Stickers. Stickers. Okay, I'm not much aware of this all kind of stuff. Okay, emojis, GIFs, again stickers. Okay, not everything is not developed and released. Everything in one place only. Earlier, direct stickers are not there. Okay, only few emojis are there, not all type of emojis. GIFs are limited. GIFs also not there. You have to share the GIF from your phone only. Now we have a direct search, online GIFs are there. Lot of stickers also available. Okay, you can share the status. You can put a status. This is not a advertisement of a kind of stuff. Okay, status, calls, video calls, audio calls, messaging, sending money also possible to send, right? This is audio. This is attachments, contacts. You can share it. Documents. You can share it. Camera, direct photo. You can take it. Stickers. You can take it. Photos and videos. You can able to share it. Okay, you can deliver the messages. Okay, So like this, everything is not developed in a one single shot. Everything is developed slowly. It is developed. It is introduced in a 10 years back, but it is showing here now. 1 second. Okay, so uh, okay, guys, understand WhatsApp example.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this example you have taken for an understanding of Agile method. So Agile having a manifesto. When you go to Agile, so go to manifesto. This is a manifesto. It is in Agile manifesto. There is a 12 principles are there. Manifesto for Agile software development. So we are uncover better way of developing software by doing it and helping others to do it. Through this work, we have to value individuals and interaction over process and tools, working software over compensative documents, customer collaboration over a contract negotiation, responding to change over a following plan. So this is while there is a value items are the right, we have value item to the left more. These are the people who suggested this agile model. So there is a 12 principles of agile software is there. Okay, so the first one is this one, so I'm not giving. Okay, otherwise I will write this one also. This is just for a when you go to enter into Agile manifesto. So this is the point, but very important Agile manifesto. Here it is, the starting point. But the 12 principles, I will write it again. So here it is, the 12 principles. Guys, so there is a 12 principles. Starting only, if you think, sir, there is a 12 principles, how can we remember? So who will remember? Is there are going to ask all 12 principles to tell? So don't go with that much of headache, guys. At least try to remember 4 to 5 points, very important points. You should be strong in it. Try to explain them at least with the basic understanding level language is enough. It is not required like a you should by heart at 12 kind of stuff. Not required, guys. At least 4 to 5 is very important. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. This principles behind the Agile manifesto. We following these principles. The highest priority is to satisfy customer through earlier and continuous delivery of value software. Okay. The first one is, what is the highest priority of a software developer is satisfy the customers. How? How? Early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Early and continuous. In SDLC, it is delays. In SDLC, it is a delayed software development. Okay. It is early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Welcome changes requirements. Even in a late development, agile process harness changes of customer competitive advantage. Meaning is, I said in a WhatsApp, right? In a WhatsApp, starting is only 3-4 features. Later, 1 or 2 features are introduced. Again, 1 or 2 features are introduced. Again, 1 or 2 features are introduced. It is not developed in a single day or a single time. Okay, not a big launches. It is doing frequent delivering. Okay, so and make sure it is stable development. Okay, delivering working software frequently. Okay, working software frequently. Okay, think like this, guys. You are very new to do some work, like you are very new for bike riding. Okay, just like me. Okay, or maybe a car riding. So what you will do? We'll go slowly, right? First we'll cover 100 meters, then 200 meters. We'll go in at 20s, then 30s. So you know how to ride a bike, and you got a bike that is the first time you are doing it. So you don't go for a racing, right? Directly we don't participate in a writings. We go slowly one by one deployment, right? So it's not a correct example, but I'm telling delivering working softwares means make sure what are the you are delivered that should be working. Okay, so of course this is we have to remove. Sadly, that SDLC not saved. So SD. Okay, so here it is. I'm explaining once again. This is the client side. Okay, this is our development side. Here it is. We don't discuss about a life cycle because of DevOps having life cycle, Agile having a life cycle as a SDLC, but in a little different way. Okay, so we'll say that is we are a developers. Model of this one is we take a information requirement gathering, we analysis and start coding and doing it. Meanwhile, client said, I want this kind of changes. You're developing it. Meanwhile, client saying, I need these changes. We have to accept the changes. We can accept the changes. Next, we don't wait for the complete project. So complete project, no need to develop. We develop a small working software. So we work for a 2 to 3 weeks or 2 to 3 months, within a weeks or a months, not a years. Okay, 2 to 3 weeks or a 2 to 3 months. We started a base model. Guys, listen very carefully. We started a base model, completed, delivered to the client. Ask him how it is working. Is it good? What is the performance of application? Good. Then take it. Again, develop the next project, phase 2. This is version 1. This is the version 2 or 1.1. 1.1. Develop the version 1.1 with some 1 or 2 features. With a 1 or 2 feature 1, feature 2. Okay, 1 or 2 features. Completed. Again, deliver. Okay, again, ask your customer, check with the customer. Is it working fine? New one is also good. Very good. You are try to update from the old to new one. So we version 1.1. Now it is working good. Now then start developing. Okay, version 1.2 with the new features. Any issues are there in a old one, so that is also will be rectified in a new one. Again deploy. Okay, again develop the new one. So make sure it is a new one is solve the previous one problems and new features also there. Again create 1.3. Deploy again. This will solve the any other problems we occur by 1.2 or new with the new features we are getting. Is a customer, you no need to wait for months or years to get a complete project. We can start working it. Function good. You are in the market. Market is first. Okay. So in the business world, first you should be in the market. Then keep development, keep new things. Okay. So you have to make differ what is your previous version to the new version. You want a example? I will give an example, but I'm getting laugh. Colgate toothpaste. Colgate toothpaste, only one toothpaste is there earlier. Then Colgate with a salt. Then Colgate with a masala, like a lavang. Then it is like a biryani masala, then a veg masala. Okay, something like that. A biryani paste. This is no more. It is toothpaste is no more. It is a toothpaste. It is a biryani paste only. And Dabur red is there. Only one variation. Dabur red, then Dabur miswak, Dabur red with Ayurvedic, Dabur red with Dantkanti kind of stuff like that is two multiple variations for in a competition. Colgate having a charcoal is also there. Colgate Veg Shakti. What is the meaning of Veg Shakti? I don't know. Okay, really, what is the Veg Shakti means? They're like you brush with that, you will get Vedas or what? I don't know. Okay, so even those people also never seen what is Veda means. Okay, so that's what I'm saying it. Okay, I know, but people are like idea antarvana. So what is meaning of antarvana? Idea people also don't have any idea what is antarvana. Okay, names titles are like that. Okay, people like a blackmailing kind of stuff. Okay, not everything is developed, you know, everything at a time. So we'll develop, phase by phase and keep continuous delivering and make sure that you're delivering working software only. Working software only. So that is a deliver the frequent working softwares from couple of weeks to couple of months within a preference to the shorter time scale. Means so after a few days, like a 1 month. Yeah, this is the best example, guys. Best example. Guys, know Micromax? Remember anyone? Micromax mobile
Yes,
phone.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So when we don't know much about a smart mobile, that too big screen mobile phones, Micromax came into market. Okay, it is a Chinese company, and we got in India, and we are assembled here. Even there is a lot of why people are banging so much. Okay. Uh, Pune is a better. Uh, it's banging like that, like he's doing some work. Okay, so Micromax came into market from not from China. Our guys went to China, brought a Micromax branding, so brought a mobile into Indian market. It is got huge successful in the Indian market. Now again it is coming again in a Micromax. Okay, we'll see other products, but finally it is got failed. Of course, there is a competition from Samsung, Lenovo. Okay, Samsung competition is there, Lenovo competition is also there, but it's still Micromax is stand on a market, right? But why it is failed later? So we'll see. When Realme means Xiaomi, Xiaomi, what are the name it is? Xiaomi is a mother company. Then later there is a Xiaomi, Xiaomi, Realme, Real One. So there is a lot of mobile phones are introduced. Micromax not develop their UI and operating system. Original developer of Android. Android will be developed and then updated to the mobile. For example, I have a Lenovo mobile phone is there, and then I switch it to Motorola. The problem with it is a stock Android. Stock Android. So Lenovo and Motorola don't develop their Android anyway. They don't develop Android, and only Android will develop and deploy. User interface is also not much development. But in coming to the Xiaomi mobile phone, what they done? They don't wait for Android to develop Android, and they don't develop Android also. They concentrate on user interfaces. Okay, user interface developed by Xiaomi only. Android is developed by Android people only, right? So they don't wait for Android to develop something. Okay, it will take time, but they start developing user interfaces, and they keep develop and deploy new interfaces to the users. So users understand means they feel the new interfaces, user interfaces, the speed controller with the user interface, performance, look improved with a just simple in user interface only. Instead of stock Android, like I use a Motorola stock Android, compared to it, Realme is a much easy performance. Less heat, okay, less issues, keep updates. We feel like a customer get his feel, it's keep updating. But Micromax is not like that. We take a Micromax board, put a Android in it, and parcel it to the customer. No further user interface development, no further Android development. You want a new Android, you have to purchase new other mobile phone. Very less updates. But here it is in a Realme kind of stuff. It's keep updates, not Android. Other things are updated. User interface kind of stuff. So obviously it is become a successful. Once it is start successful, the Xiaomi launch different kind of products in India, okay, with a different names also. But almost like a 5 products are there with similarities. That is something one is also there, right? Some like one plus something is there. Realme, Xiaomi. I don't remember that names. No, you can go to anything. Just we'll understand. Okay, Redmi, Realme. Both are companies same. Image Fit watch Image Fit is there. That is also there. That one. MI bands are there. Okay. Realme, Redmi. Okay, it is a brand is Redmi, but it is a mother company. Main company is always same. See Redmi Note. By where we should go? Mobile phones. Electronics is correct one. Okay, so you can see Xiaomi mobile related series also we can see. OnePlus separated from Xiaomi, 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 Realme, Redmi. Okay, so why it is become popular? Even Oppo also from that one only. Either it's still inside or outside, we don't know. But okay, so it is something urban. Okay, so what is the thing it is? So huge development in that user interface. It start become. Guys, understand at least this point in
Yes.
frequent
Yes,
deployments.
sir.
Okay, that's the point. Okay, so because this is my favorite subject, I never learn from anyone. This is I learn from myself only. Okay, of course, using some small videos and all. And I have taken a course from Udemy, but it is different. Okay, so here it is. The point we should not forget. Again, welcome changes requirements even in a late in a development. So I am putting a small point wise, not a complete wise also. Okay, look at here. Welcome changes in a requirements gathering even late in the development. Remember this point. First, simple point wise, what is the advantage of Agile? Delivering working software frequently from couple of weeks to couple of months within the preference shorter the time. It is frequent delivery is very important, right? No need to wait for a longer period of time to complete project. So complete the first phase, then start development thing others. Okay, So no need to full deliver working software frequently from couple of weeks to couple of months. This part is enough. Okay, because when you are telling an answer also, you have to tell in a very easy way. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Guys, normally in a business people means client and developers. The client side and BU side, business unit side. Okay, this client and BU side peoples and our side BU people will take the project and give it to the development team, but they don't interact with them. But we have to interact with this BU side also, like a business people. So then clear cut understanding of project will be improves. Clear cut understand of project will be improves. Like how much project is completed, any issues are there, any changes requirement, immediate changes requirement. Okay, status of our project will be improves. It can faster deployment will occurs. Build a project around the motivated individuals, give them environment supported they need, and trust them to get a job done. So whatever it is, so first of all, give a project to your individuals. Okay, give them an environment and supported their needs and trust them to do it. Give what are the facilities their requirement. Okay, the servers, okay, the rights, access, permissions, like that. So people who want to do it, so give it to them, not based on his seniority, not based on his charming. Normal prospect of any project development and all. I'm killing a lot of time because it's quarter to 2. Okay, I will try to close it by. Okay, so by 2 o'clock. Okay, I will try. So guys, look at here. Here in Agile, the point is here. Normally people said do less, manage more. In any organization, people will tell management is much better. Going through management, like so do less, manage more. But in a here, it is not that way. So documentation, management, presentation skills are given more importance in the total industries, in industries itself. Okay, like I create a small product. It is even how much utilized, how much is important, no one knows. Okay, so we are motivate the people how much it is very good work. Advertisement is more, work is less. Okay, advertisement is very big advertisement and work is less. Like last time I watched one view thing, Donzo advertisement. So the advertisement is the refrigerator is doctors are operating on a refrigerator. They said sorry, we can't able to save the refrigerator, and immediately Donzo is there freshly and immediately delivery is there. What is the use of your refrigerator? What is that advertisement? It is okay. So that's the thing is like people advertise more and performance is less. Management is more, work is very less. Okay, so that is not work here. This is here it is. People who want to build, who can able to work, give them access, give them information. Okay, so then trust them to develop their project. The most efficient, effective method of conveying information to within the development team is face-to-face conversation. Not too many mails for not understanding too many mails. Instead of putting too many mails to the people which we don't understand what it is. Instead of that one, tell them directly. So why teams are developed? Why these teams are there? We can tell the through team. So guys, this is the problem. This is the information. Here, what is the work today? You have to do it. Okay, this is the their issues is occurring. So look after this one. Face-to-face conversion. Guys, once you are joining the organization, morning and evening there is a meeting. Is there? Never skip the meeting. Okay, you skip the work, no problem, but never skip the meeting. So meeting must be attended. Okay, so never skip the meeting. What is the face-to-face? Okay, so directly explain the people. So what is going on? How much work is completed? So what work should we do it today? So that will improve your efficient and effective method. Okay, working software is a primary measure of progress. Again, this point. Again, this is the another point. So this is, I put a star points for a star kind of stuff. Okay, no, not required. You should understand what are the things. Working software is a primary measure of progress. As I said earlier, how much you are advertising, how much you are telling about your product. Okay, that is secondary point. Important is you have a working software is working or not working. That is, I'm telling everything now. Agile process promotes sustained development. Sponsors, developers, users should be able to maintain constant space indefinitely. Okay, that is we don't understand. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhance agility. Simplicity, the art of maximizing amount of work done, is essential. Okay. 1 second. Hello. Hello. Okay. Simplicity, the art of maximizing work not done. The art of maximizing amount of work not done is Agile, whatever it is essential. Simplicity is essential. Okay. Simplifying is important. Okay, that's reverse. Art of maximizing amount of work not done. Okay, so simply how much work is not yet completed. Okay, the best architectures, requirements, and design emerging from the self-organizing teams. At regular intervals, the team reflects the how to become efficient, then tunes and adjust behavior according to it. Okay, so this point I will explain. This is I skipped a few points, so no problem it is. So 12 principles are written here. Again, I'm rewriting here for explanation. The best architectures, requirements, designs emerges from self-organizing teams. Guys, to do certain works, what we are doing for do this particular part, for doing that particular part, we'll give a contract to others. For example, you're developing a software. You need a cloud. For that cloud, again, I have to go for other organization. To learn some work in the cloud, I have to go for other organization or other employees. So number of employees requirement increasing, number of people are. So in Agile, it is not like that. In Agile, everyone can able to do work. Everyone can able to manage. Okay, anything. So we can able to understand. We can able to do things. Full stack developer. There is a job kind of stuff is there. Even in our 70s, our have requirement is there for a full stack developer. What is meaning of full stack developer? So you are a Java developer, application developer, tester, and deployment, understanding of deployment, your understanding of cloud, understanding of all life cycles, understanding of all life cycles. I am a software developer. I don't know database. Not like that. In full stack development, you should know how to develop your project and also should have an idea of a database, how it is works, how cloud is works, how to deployment works, how to testing is works. So these things you should have a basic knowledge. So then everybody can able to participate. So then we can complete the work very faster and efficient way. Okay, at regular intervals, the team reflects how to become more effective, then choose the adjust behavior according to it. Okay, so how to check it, what is the performance of your team, what are the things they have to learn, how to adjust based on it. For example, I'm a tester, and also I got another one is deployment. I said, no, I don't do deployment. Then what a boss will tell, thanks for your let me know you don't do. He don't take that part. He will take only don't do. Get out from here. Okay. So that is the point. So better. I'm not telling that. So better you should know it. Better start adjusting according to it. Okay. Learning is very important. That is why I like Devops is my favorite subject because of this one. So SDLC completed and Agile is also completed, guys. So again, we are going to some small parts about Agile again. What is Agile? It is moving quickly. Moving quickly meaning is Agile is a moving quickly. Agile is an interactive approach to project management and software development. Okay, it is a interactive approach to project management. Software development helps team deliver value to their customer faster with the fewer headaches. Faster we can able to do it. In SDLC, we have to complete the project completely as per the client requirements. Then we'll go for a new phases, right? But here it is, we don't need to wait for that much longer period of time. Simply we start developing the phases wise, the first deliver and working software first. The latter accept the anytime you are ready to accept the changes from the customer and develop it and continuously deliver the product to the customers, and make sure that always working software is important. As I said here, for example, there is a software is not working. You deliver the new product, software is not working at the customer or some issues are there. You can easily roll back to the previous version. You can go back to the previous version. And also what is the issue is occur here and solve it and deliver the new version. Okay. Make sure clients should get a easy and not wait for a years or a months of the time for a delivering. Shorter the time we can able to deliver the product with a requirement of client changes. And this is another important face-to-face conversion. This is another very important one is face-to-face conversion is there. So compulsory communicate with your team. So what is the work is going on? What is the status of your work? What work should be handled by people? So like that. So face-to-face conversion is very important. Working software is primary measure of progress. Working software is primary. So guys, once again, see these points. Welcome changes requirement even late in the development. In SDLC, we can't accept the changes once requirement gathering is completed. But here it is, welcome changes even late in the development possible in Agile. Delivering working software frequently from couple of weeks to couple of months, we can able to deliver it. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. So what is the meaning of that one is, so always be in interactive with the business people and developer must be interactive so they can understand what is the status of your project, any changes requirement, okay, working progress kind of stuff, we will get it. Build projects around a motivated individual, that's the secondary part. Face-to-face conversion, so it's the first, second, third, fourth one is face-to-face conversion is requirement. So make sure that make the people to understand what is the working progress issues and how to solve those issues, how to go for a next we can directly face-to-face conversion, which gives more effective method. Working software is measure of progress. Always make sure that you have delivered the working software. You should keep a track of working software, not a development one, not a not working one. So that will reduce the failures. Best architectures, requirement design, like everything we can able to do it within the organization only. Okay. Okay. So yeah, regular interval of regular. So team should be adjust according to working progress kind of stuff. Yeah, our priority is satisfy customer through early and continuous development. This is I didn't add here. So again, the things will be changed. Yeah, I will use only priority wise. Okay, so this is first point anyway. Our highest priority is satisfy the customer. In that one, important is through early and continuous delivery of software development. This is the first point. Early and continuous delivery of software. That is the first point. Second, we can accept the changes even late in the development. The third one is delivering working software frequently. That first one and third one is little similar, but little similar. Okay. Delivering working software frequently from couple of weeks to couple of months. Okay. So this is secondary part. I'm keeping some difference. So this is the part. Okay. So business people and developers must work together. Okay. So build a project around a motivated individuals. Okay. So give the support according to it. Next. So face-to-face conversion. Next one. Build a project around motivated individuals. Give the environment and support to the job done. Okay. Next, sixth one is face-to-face conversions. Seventh one is always working software is important. This is we don't understand, leave it. Okay. So the eighth and ninth point is simple. Eighth and ninth point is adjust according to it. Learn the things. The meaning of this one is you can no need to tell this one directly. So you can tell the meaning of that one is like learn the things, understand what is the workflow and what is the work process it is, learn the new things, make sure that we can able to manage or work from our self organization only. Okay, so adjust according to the your workflow, adjust according to your work. Okay, so this is all about a agile model, guys. So here it is, 2 points, important points I covered. One is SDLC, software development lifecycle. Another one I discussed, agile. Okay, next one we see DevOps in afternoon. So actually I want to cover in a DevOps also in the morning only, but because of that not recording point, it is not completed. We'll see DevOps life cycles and DevOps tools also. Okay, guys, understand Agile?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.